Good morning, students. Today we will go ahead with our studies. Need for chewing food well. It is important to eat our food slowly and chew it well. Chewing food properly helps to break it down into smaller pieces. When we chew for a long time, the saliva gets more time to act on the food. The digestive enzymes in the saliva help in digestion. Chewing for a long time moistens the food and makes it easier to pass through the digestive tract. If we don't chew our food properly in the mouth, it will take longer to digest the larger food particles in the stomach. This can disturb the process of digestion. If digestion does not take place properly, it can lead to problems like indigestion, heartburn, and constipation. Regular bowel movements. If digestion is not carried out properly, it leads to irregular bowel movements. Regular bowel movements ensure that waste and toxins are eliminated from the body regularly. Regular removal of body waste prevents digestive disorders and keeps our body healthy. Removal of body waste and toxins also prevents diseases related to the digestive system. Drink sufficient water. Water plays an important role in the process of digestion. In fact, it is required at each step of the process. The saliva produced in our mouth mainly consists of water. Without saliva, our body would be unable to break down food, making it difficult to eat and digest. In the stomach, water is required for the production of acid. Water also prevents the stomach walls from coming into direct contact with the acid. In the small intestine, the presence of water helps in better absorption of nutrients. In the large intestine, water helps in the removal of solid waste from our body. Lack of water in the digestive system can disrupt the process of digestion. This can also result in constipation or other complications. The excretory system. We need vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients in food to survive. As our body uses these things, it creates leftover substances that are not needed. Our body must get rid of these leftover substances or waste to stay healthy. The digestive system gets rid of the solid waste. The respiratory system gets rid of carbon dioxide and water. What happens to the extra water that we drink? The excretory system removes the extra water from our body in the form of urine. Organs of the excretory system: kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. Functions of the excretory system. Kidneys. The kidneys are the main organs of the excretory system. There are two reddish brown bean-shaped kidneys in our body. They filter or clean the blood by removing waste products and excess water from it. These waste substances and water combine to form a transparent fluid called urine. The urine is sent to the bladder and stored. Ureter. Each kidney is connected to the bladder by a narrow tube called a ureter. The ureters carry the urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Urinary bladder. The bladder is a pear-shaped muscular organ that stores urine. It expands like a balloon as it fills with urine. The bladder of an adult can hold about 350 milliliters of urine. Once the bladder is full, we feel the pressure and the urge to urinate. Urethra. The urine stored in the bladder flows out of the body through a tube called the urethra. This process is called urination. The urethra is located at the bottom of the bladder. Healthy eating habits related to digestion and excretion. Healthy eating habits lead to good digestion of food and proper excretion. This makes you healthy and strong. You should wash your hands properly both before and after eating food. Do not drink a lot of water while eating. It will dilute the digestive juices. Eat food rich in fiber like oats, beans and bananas. This helps in good bowel movement. We should chew the food properly. Food that is chewed properly gets digested. We should be regular about the meal timings. We should take a balanced diet. We should eat fresh fruits and green vegetables. It is important to sit down and relax while eating. We should drink plenty of water. Rest a while after taking meals. We have completed the chapter Human Body. In my next video, I'll give you the exercises and question answers of chapter 1 from new book. And for today, your homework is to draw this excretory system. Thank you.